It's toast. Y'all already know it's better than most. Hopping on the motherfucking flow, hitting the motherfucking endo. For show, Big Wesley, motherfucking Presley, King Coon, stepping on the tunes. Tyrell, you already know the motherfuckers from hell.
Say,
where's at? Hopping on the fucking mic.
Hey, FAYMOUS. Hey, that boy Ron trippin', but I don't care, cause that's my nigga. If you try him, then you try me. And if you try me, I hook you to an IV. That's the hospital biatch. Me and that T-Lo biatch. DJ Dang Sweetch. Yeah. I don't even wanna rap. I just wanna sound good. I know I sound good. White bitches say I sound hood. It's all good. I'm on the hood, but I ain't talking about the neighbors. I'm talking about the thing that I be rolling navigator. I'm talking about the carpet, cause the carpet alligator. And I don't give a fuck because I fucking kill a hater. I don't really wanna have to pour the steel out. I'm barbecuing these niggas, pull your grill out. Keep talking pretty loud, and I'ma send you to the clouds. Cloud 9, my nigga. Jesus standing behind you like, hi, my nigga. Hey. Backing them up. FAY.